This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. New High Point Terrace GEM. Just completed by quality home builder West/tons of special details. Large, open entry, living, dining and kitchen. Elegant master down west/spa bath and walk-in closet. Tucked away laundry and powder room. Easy entry via attached 2-car garage. Upstairs, 2 more bedrooms, a sleek full bath, and den/playroom. Many special features, tankless hot water, stained concrete floors down, and much more. Wood fenced yard west/private patio. Quick access to Highland and Sam Cooper. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.